Alright, we have a PC here which is an interesting problem. Numlock light comes on, which is fine, but the keys, this entire group doesn't work except the enter key. Alright, so what we'll do is we'll boot to USB and I'll try and demonstrate the problem. I've got Windows 10 set up in here on the USB. Wow, it takes forever. Okay. Maybe I'll do that again. One sec. Turn off. Turn it back on. F7 for boot menu for Foxconn system. Okay, Windows 10 setup. We'll try and demonstrate the problem. Okay, so let's have a look. Shift F10. Now, they are working here. Interesting. So it's in Windows 7. It's not working. So here, yeah. Now let's have a look at the issue in Windows 7. I'll wait till it boots up because it takes forever. Okay, finally, computer is up and running. So I'll open up a notepad and we'll make the font. Oh, come on, just the font. Okay, so numlock is on. 7 doesn't work. Press the numbers here, they work. And here, see numlock off, numlock on, 1, 2, 3, nothing. But if I type in some letters and I do numlock off, the arrow keys work. So if I go up, down, they do work. Yeah? Nothing works. Okay. So a different keyboard is not the solution either. Let's see if this will fix it. Something about called mouse keys. Ease of access. Change how your keyboard works. Turn on mouse keys. Okay, it's the feature there. So turn that off. Okay. Now let's try it out. Here we go. See? they're working. Alright, it's an interesting problem. Alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.